Hello everyone! My name is Alma Francisca and I'm from Mentari English School. I'm a multi-talented star and today I want to tell you about my two favorite hobbies, cooking and playing guitar. I like cooking because it's fun and creative. I can make a simple dish like fried rice or pancakes. Cooking makes me happy because I can share the food with my family. I also love playing guitar. I practice simple songs and I enjoy learning new chords. Playing guitar makes me feel relaxed and I can sing along while I play. Cooking and playing guitar are different. Cooking is done in the kitchen, while playing guitar can be done anywhere. Cooking is sometimes messy, but playing guitar is always clean. But both hobbies need practice and both can make other people happy. Between cooking and playing guitar, I like playing guitar a little bit more because when I play guitar, I can enjoy music and share it with my friends. This is my show and tell. Thank you very much.